Welcome to Word of the Day. Let's expand our vocabulary together. Today's word is scrimp. It means to be sparing or frugal with something, especially money, to use or provide only a minimal amount. Here are two examples using this word. They had to scrimp and save for years to afford a down payment on a house. Don't scrimp on the ingredients for that recipe, or it won't taste right. Some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word better. Synonyms are skimp, economize, stint. Antonyms are splurge, lavish, indulge. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more daily vocabulary words.